Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add a hyperlink in Adobe Acrobat. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe Acrobat and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find recent files, start files, Adobe Cloud Storage, agreements, and right here you're going to find other file storage. You can also add a file storage from here. So right here, you're going to find recommended tools for you. And if you want to see all of the tools, just click on see all tools. And then in this list, you're going to find all of the tools. If you want to search for any tools, just go to the search bar and then you can search for any tool that you want from here. So right here under work with the PDF now, if you click on open file, you can choose any PDF from your computer to work with. So for example, I'm going to click on this PDF. Right here, we have share, request a signature, edit a PDF, export, organize pages, add comments, and lastly, fill and sign. Go ahead and click on edit PDF. And then right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to edit your PDF. So right here, you're going to find modify pages, add content, and other options. So right here under add content, you're going to find text. You can add an image, header and footer, add a watermark, add a link, base numbering, button, video, sound, 3D media. You can attach a file, background, or article box. So just go ahead and click on link. And right here, you're going to find add or edit links, auto create links from URLs, remove web links, append all links on page, and view web links. So we're going to click on add or edit a link, and then you can add the link that you want. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.